Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
And Heather, even on a cloudy day, it's still gorgeous.
Yes.
It's still beautiful
Yes.
in Panama City Beach, even with a little bit of cloud cover. We're over here at Boardwalk Beach Resort. Amazing complex, family friendly.
Yes.
They've got beautiful Gulf front pools,
Yep.
a little snack bar beneath, and you were just telling me about activities that they have.
Yes, every 4th of July they put their own fireworks show on. They have videos for the kids and all day play right on the boardwalk.
Besides the fact that you're close to shopping and various other things, they've got the convention center nearby. Around Christmas time, that's where everybody goes.
The Holly Fair.
Right, you go
where we
to
like
get
to
your
shop.
Christmas shopping on and,
Yes.
and see everybody around town. But let's go check out this unit. It's fully furnished, it's ready to go. Let's go see what it has to offer. So we're inside this adorable little 2-bedroom at Boardwalk Beach Resort. Fully furnished, nice beach color palette, nice and soothing, and you've got everything you need, and tile floor so you don't have to worry about the sand getting in the carpet in the main areas. You have plenty of room for a dining room table and extra seating along the bar. The kitchen, nice, beautiful white cabinets, a little bit of a ceiling detail. You've got stainless steel appliances. You overlook the living room and the gorgeous Gulf of Mexico, so you don't miss out on any Gulf views if you're stuck in the kitchen. Just enough space to get things done, but not so much that you have a lot of cleanup. Let's go see what Heather has going on in the main room.
Welcome to this main ensuite, and it's Gulf views. Can you believe it's a whole wall of glass? I'm pretty sure that's my favorite. You do have balcony access through a little door, but for this wall to be all glass, oh, be still my heart. This unit has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and we've got to check out the ensuite portion of this bedroom. It's very large, including the closet. Who knew? So check out this ensuite. You've got your 2 sinks out here, so if somebody wanted to be in the shower or is using the restroom, you can still get ready. I told you, what in the world? I don't think there's another complex with such large closets in the main ensuite. So for more information on this particular unit, look in the description below. We've got the listing link for all your desires.
And don't forget to subscribe to our Beach Show channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like this one.